Listen, don't get all excited just because I invited you to this. I will even pay as if I was another one of your clients. I just needed a mage, and you were the first one I thought of. That's all. Easy as that. What are we collecting? Oh, well, dear. And I call almost everyone dear, so don't even look at me like that. I just need some ingredients for my potions. You know, mushrooms and some other stuff. Of course I'm not scared of the creatures in the deep of the forest. That's why I've got you, dummy. You are my personal human shield against all creatures. If they have to eat one of us, I'll make sure to tell them you taste better. You know I wouldn't do that. All the town would think I'm crazier than they already think I am. They would probably even kill me. You're their perfect mage, always to the rescue of the innocent. So, how does fame taste? I hope it's unbearable to always be the center of attention. If I remember correctly, you're quite anxious with people. Poor little wizard, suffering. Nah, I'm not that sorry. Well, maybe just a little. Me? You want to know how I've been doing? Fine, thank you. I'm currently creating an amazing new potion that could be the first to make a person completely invisible. Based on different concepts, it was impossible, but of course, that word is not in my dictionary. Also, in other news, for strange reasons, people are now buying more of my potions. I know, right? It's so weird that suddenly everyone remembers I exist. This way I could be a millionaire by the end of the year. How exciting. I could buy tons of things and then rule the world. Oh, why are you laughing? I'm being totally serious here. I could even be more famous than you. And then it wouldn't be funny for you, would it? Well, yeah, they need both magic and potions to go on adventures and that sort of stuff, which means even if I want, I can't avoid your presence. How disgusting. What? You would go to the next village so I can have all the fame? No! I mean, no. Why would you do that? I don't want another sworn enemy, even if it's more than enough with you. Imagine having to compete with a complete stranger mage? No, thank you. Why are you so tense all of a sudden? Everything all right, dear? What do you mean by shut up? I won't take orders from... Okay, I'm quiet now. What are you sensing? You still don't know if it's a dragon or a bigger beast. Excuse me, what? Oh, so it's still a little far. That's good. Maybe we can avoid them, you know? Going to other places where there are no big beasts around. Good. I follow you then. I'm so glad I brought you with me, my personal compass and human shield. If you're my human shield, why did I bring a bag of potions? Well, there are plenty that could help me escape in case things got ugly, you know? Speed and stamina, just in case. Speaking of stamina, a little birdie told me you've been busy going from quest to quest. You are taking care of yourself, right? Well, we both went to the same classes and learned what can happen if you overdo it. It's dangerous, you know. If you don't rest enough, then you could go through burnout or something like that. Of course I'm not worried. Yeah, we are enemies, but who will I hate if you die? Seriously, have you been eating well? I don't mean to be disrespectful, but you've been looking a little pale lately, and those dark circles under your eyes make you look like the Walking Dead, you know? Just saying, no need to get so quiet all of a sudden. Was that you? What do you mean no? What do you mean no? So the beast is closer. No, I'm not panicking. It's not just I'm just an alchemist who spends all the day in a lab with closed doors experimenting and reading and writing and not fighting beasts. No, I'm not panicking at all. Oh shit, now what, genius? I hide pretty obvious, and you, hey, come back here, you. Oh. That idiot. Look at them running like that without even telling me. And I'm just hiding here like a coward. But what could I possibly do? Maybe a potion of strength or a potion for speed so I can attack quickly. Or maybe... Oh, you're back. And alive. What an idiot you are. Did you know that? Going to the dragon as if you're an adventurer in search of danger. Now come here. Let me see you. So, no visible cuts. Nor bruises. Even your face is unharmed. Any pain you were hiding from me? No? Good. What about dizziness or double vision? Good. That's good. Do you need a stamina potion? I think I have one over here. No? You sure about that? I mean, I could force you to drink it, but I know you won't. You are a lot of things, but not an order follower, rebel. Hey, you are looking pale. Are you sure you want us to continue? Alright then, let's go. So, according to my memory, the cave we are looking for is to the right. Mushrooms I need grow there. For what do I need those? I won't tell you. It's a secret, and I wish to keep it that way. Yeah, sure. Can I take the lead now? Listen, if you need a moment or two to stabilize yourself, that's okay. I can count to 5, and you can recalculate the fact you almost got eaten by a dragon. Deal? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4.25, and 5. Better? Good. Now let's get going. If that thing was here in bright daylight, I can't imagine what could happen here at night. Yeah, I guess a werewolf. But there are so many night creatures, maybe even ones that we don't even know about yet. Let's just keep moving, please. So, I don't know what else to talk about. Excuse me? Did I know about what exactly? Oh, about the cat who keeps coming to your door every morning and goes after you finish breakfast? Nope. Have no idea about him. Or her. Or they. We don't know the kitty's pronouns. Well, maybe it's just a stray who got attached to you. Maybe you feed them while you're eating and they like it. Or maybe you give good head pats. Possibilities are infinite, actually. Maybe they just want to check up on you. I don't know. Anyway, we're getting closer to the cave. But these damn trees are making it hard to see. Oh, and I forgot the night vision potion, stupid me. Yeah, you could create a light for us to see, but you just fought a dragon, if you haven't noticed. Well, your funeral. Go on then. Wow, that light of yours is brighter now. You've been practicing, haven't you? Yeah, I can see it. Seems like all those quests really do pay off, huh? I remember back at the academy, you were always the worst in all the practices. And you said you were unnatural. I used to think you were a natural, stupid, but looking at how powerful you're getting, I feel like you still have even more potential. Hey, are you alright? Maybe you should stop it with the human lamp thing. I bought a lantern. I can take it out of the bag. Sure, you're fine. You're just walking like a newborn unicorn, all wobbly and unsteady. Here, I have the lantern. Now turn off that light of yours before you... Oh! Pass out. Shit. Hey, you. Wake up, little mage. This is not funny. Come on now. Oh, I knew they were just pretending. That spell took a lot out of them, and yet they are so stubborn. They can't even admit when they don't feel good. Mage, come on. Dear, please wake up. You're scaring me. Come on, you. Hey, hi there. No. Don't even try to get up. What happened was that you passed out. Overworked yourself with that little trick of yours. I caught you before you hit the ground, so we're all clear there, don't worry. Here, drink this. It doesn't even taste that bad. It's just blueberry with something else. Trust me, you won't even taste that. Just drink up. You see? It didn't even taste that bad, did it? Good little mage. Now, we are going to stay right here. Just rest. You are white as a sheet, and you say you're fine? You've been overworking yourself, accepting all the quests they give you, not knowing how to say no. You've not even been properly eating or getting enough rest, and you say you're fine? Listen, magic is not always your friend, and you know it. All big power comes with a price, and this is the least that can happen if you overdo it like this again. I've read about it. You could even die for overworking yourself. Don't be such an idiot, please. And whatever reason would it be worth it for you to do this? Not even all the gold in the world is worth your health. You want to feel like you are good enough. Why would you even doubt that? I mean, you are an awesome mage. Just look at the way that dragon flew away like a chicken. It was amazing. Trust me on that. I don't give compliments often, so you really should believe me. All the town used to talk about how weak for a mage you were. Well, you think they would notice if I put drops of a specific potion of mine to turn them into toads? What? I mean, they are stupid people, that's for sure. A little scare would do them good. Just kidding, just kidding. What? No, I totally didn't say I had a potion of transfiguration. Or that I need these mushrooms we were searching for so I could use them on said potion because I was running out of it. Okay, I'm Blackie, the cat you love so much and mysteriously appears only at your meal times. What? It was important to know that you were at least eating something, and I enjoyed it, after all. Your cooking is amazing. I know I could have just asked, but I'm scared of being your friend. All the friends I've had in the past left me when they knew what I wanted to be. Alchemists are just mad scientists stuck in a lab all day doing crazy things, they said. People in town also think I'm crazy. I don't know. I have a hard time trusting people. You think my work is amazing? Thank you, I guess. Wait, what? So, you were the one recommending my stuff to travelers and adventurers? Huh. Now things make sense. Would I like to be your friend instead of your enemy? Yes, that would be nice. I will try my best to be a good friend and not bully you as much. Let me tell you what. You promise me not to overdo it again, and I promise to work on my bullying. Deal? And if something or somebody says anything bad about you, I'll just say it will not be my fault if they wake up as toads. Let me just collect my ingredients and then we can go back to my house. You do need rest, and who could possibly think you're with me? Exactly. So sit there while I finish up. Tell me something, friend. What's your favorite plant? Yeah, it's my first friendly question. This is new to me, so shut up, okay? And you're laughing. I'm glad you're feeling better at least.